Hey guys, Dave Burns here at the Copper Gardens shop, and we're going to do hopefully a very short little video today that will primarily interest the client more than any other of our millions and millions of viewers. But we're going to talk about two things: the bamboo that we're making for their bamboo gate. I'll show you that in a minute, and then the gong that we had talked about putting into the gate as kind of a Asian theme with bamboo. Plus, Jill liked it, and we settled on the round idea rather than something more oblong. And this is it. So the object here is to see what it sounds like. And I'm not absolutely thrilled with the tonal quality. I'm sure there's a lot that I don't know about hammering cymbals or gongs or this type of thing, but here we go. In fact, the little marks, I don't know how well they're going to come out on screen. Not that well. I've kind of found some highlight spots that I think are the better spots. So let's start with something that I think is mediocre. That's not even terrible. That's kind of dead sounding. And let me move up here. Out here, just a nicer ring. Over here, dead as a smell. And right here, let's see if I can settle it down here. Now I'm learning, as I do this, I'm learning a tiny bit about how they create steel drums. I've always been fascinated by how they play different sounds around a round hunk of steel that's been hammered to death. Actually, I should say hammered to life, because they're incredibly beautiful and lively sounding. Anyway, that's where we are with this thing. Part of the issue will be size. Whether or not it will fit visually correct into the gate remains to be seen. I think it's a good start. I hope I have it, because I think this is as done as we need to be. But let me move over here and show you all that we are indeed making bamboo. I have made it in 1 inch and 3/4 inch, and I think we're going to stay with just those two. I'm thinking I might toss in a stick or two of 1/2 inch just to have that trilogy grouping of different sizes. But here, just for the fun of it, the individual pieces are laid out. This is 3/4, 1 inch, and these are not joined here. That's the magic act. You pull it away and it falls down. And I'll be putting those together, brazing those together here, and then ultimately when we're done, oops, a good thing I did this, because I see a little a void right there that I want to fill. The most time-consuming thing is the cleanup afterwards. It's going around all of these joints and getting eliminating any overflow of brazing rod, which is inevitable. I can't avoid that. It's just a fact. Although I've begun to use, on these tight little joints, I've begun to use smaller rod, and that has actually helped me reduce the amount of outflow or overflow, if you will. So that's about it. This was mostly just an update as to condition of the project, so the client doesn't believe that we've gone off to vacation in Mazatlan or something of that ilk. That's a terrible joke. I'm sorry I keep doing that one, but somebody send me a new one and I'll put that into the next video. Okay, that's it. I'm going to quit. Thanks for watching.